Welcome to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Lots of people love chocolate chip cookies, but what can we do with the leftover ones? No worries, today I'm making a yummy chocolate tart with just a few ingredients. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
I have 12 chocolate chip cookies. Break them up and powder them. Now I got exactly 2 cups. Into that add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and mix it well. Let me transfer it into a deeper bowl so that it will be easier when I add my other ingredients. Take 1 cup of milk. I'm using 2% organic milk and add a little at a time and mix it well. Into that add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Take a baking pan. This is a 9-inch round non-stick pan. Apply some cooking spray and pour the batter in. Put it in a 350-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clear. Place it on a cooling rack. In the meantime, I'm going to make chocolate frosting. In a mixing bowl, add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of raw organic cacao powder. You may use regular chocolate powder. 4.5 tablespoons of milk. I'm using 2% organic milk. 2 tablespoons of butter, and finally 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix them well. Pour it in a saucepan and cook on medium heat until it becomes a little thicker. Turn the heat off and let it cool down. Pour the chocolate syrup on the top and decorate it with your favorite fruits if you want. Such a tasty and easy chocolate tart from leftover chocolate chip cookies. Try it today and let me know what you think.
You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye. Stay safe.